Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Sorry I've not been uploading again. That being said, I'm going to be shooting a few more videos again. At this point I have some products that I got my hands on, so I'll be sharing with you. First off, today we are viewing the flip card. This is a power bank by Tilt. Once again, I believe I actually put one of these videos, or maybe not, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I edited the video before prior to another battery bank built by the same company. Now I'll be featuring this power bank here. Pretty useful power bank. Again, this power bank is a fast charger and it's about 5 milliamp. 5,000 milliamp, sorry. So this will pretty much charge your phone between just for Android. We have one, however, where you can plug in the USB, where there's a USB port where you can use different USB cables for charging multiple devices, ranging from micro USB to Type-C USB and so on. So we're going to unpackage this bad boy and see what it's all about. Alright, as we get into it, there's a tier here. And then I pretty much used one of these power bank before, so I'm going to be going over it. Pretty nice packaging here. You get an instruction manual in the back with a little slot here. It basically gives you a description on how the power bank works. So how this power bank works, you have some LED lights here at the top. As soon as you push the button here, this one is dead right now. It hasn't been charged. So pretty much it has, well, yeah, as you can see there's just one bar in it. It's not fully charged yet. So you have two cords that comes from it, pretty flexible flat silicone wires. The entire body, or most of it, just the front casing here, is pretty much silicone. So pretty much you can sit your phone on top of it. It is not a wireless charger, but you can implement a wireless charger with it or not. This is what I'm going to be going over with, into how this power bank could have been a lot more better. So let's go over the features of what it features. So it's 5,000 milliamp, which is 5 amps, and charged and ready to use. Not so sufficient because of power. Having if they charge it from the factory, will have a shelf life, and the battery will then deplete prior to being on shelf for a long period of time and not being charged. Is you have a USB connector and a micro USB that is implemented with it. As you can see here, there's a slot where you fit these cables in to secure your cables, and you can pretty much, it's really strong here. You can actually hang it on your handbag, or just for a person like me, you're vlogging and so forth, you can have it on your camera to actually give your camera some power, some extra power while needed. We go over the description. It's not too much to it. 5,000 milliamp USB micro cable. So let's just get into it and how it works. So I have an experience of using this power bank. However, I ended up breaking one of these ports here. I had it in my pocket, my cell phone, and I'm walking around and pretty much sitting and so on. So it blew, and I was able to break this connector here, which cannot be repaired because the unit is just an all-in-one, and pretty much once you break these wires, it is no longer be able to use it as a power bank. However, you do have a warranty card that comes with it, and pretty much all you have to do is go to tilt.com, which is located here, tilt.com, to register your warranty card, and there's a code at the bottom of this card here. As you see here, that's the code that they will be asking you for on the online. But keep in mind, this unit I purchased from Dollarama a few months ago, and I had it with me for some time. Haven't seen them on the shelf since, but for now, this is pretty much what it's like, and pretty much just charging and a cell phone, nothing to it. Pretty much that's it. So that's it for the Tilt power bank. And yes, so each product that you buy will actually be donating to plant a tree. So it says here each product sold helps planting a tree. So dollar, I don't know how it works out or how you can actually do additional donation in order to donate to this cause, but pretty much what's known here is right here at the bottom, and pretty much that's what it says. Well, that's it for the Tyly Powerbank. As we're going to be going into some more products in prior videos from this, I'd like to hear if you do own one of these and how efficient it has been working for you, and let me know in the description